Hey guys, my name is David Netting, and today I have a different video. I'm going to talk about a company that helps to send shoe boxes with all sorts of gifts for young kids all around the world that are in poverty. They don't get a chance to be able to open up Christmas gifts like we do. So my daughter is going to be able to share a little bit about this. She's behind the camera. It's called Operation Christmas Child. So go ahead.
Okay, hi, I'm Bella, David's daughter, and yeah, so first, when you get your shoebox, it can be at a church or at a local Hobby Lobby. You will also probably receive a shoebox label. These are labels where you mark a boy or girl, if you want to pack for a boy or girl, and which age range, 2 to 4, 5 to 9, which we chose for a girl, and 10 to 14. So inside have different cool items for the kids, where there's like you might be wondering why they're putting batteries in, but those are because we have packed a flashlight for it. But we need a wow item, which is this stuffed animal moose for ours. There's some different things like socks, toothbrushes, and combs. We put in a hat. There's hair supplies and toys for them.
Look at all this you can fit in a shoebox. What about this?
That's a magic towel. So like you can use it for bathing and things. We got all of this from our local Dollar Tree. There's a bar of soap and an inflatable globe so they can figure out where they live, plus a little pencil case where they can put in some of their treasures. And
when is it due?
It is due, actually,
November 20th.
Yeah, November 20th.
Yep.
And you just bring them back to the place where you got them.
Yep.
And when you find all the different things, you will like have it all packed and bring it there. Although there are some things that you don't want to do, like put in some different things like candy, any war-related items or violence.
Nothing with liquid as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Or
toothpaste. That might sound a little strange since you want to give those kids things so they can brush their teeth if you're giving them a toothbrush. But the toothpaste might explode and get onto the other cool items, which would make that kid very sad.
All right. I will include a link below, and this is just a great way to be able to help to serve. It's something that'll make a difference in a child's life. Go online, click on some of the videos of people opening these. It is pretty powerful. So thank you for letting me share, and hopefully you can join and be a part of this.
And one more thing. My favorite thing about this is because every shoebox that is given to kids will also share the gospel with them, and they get to learn about
Jesus.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for joining. Click that like button. Thank you.